I just can't believe that today, when there are so many people who want to learn how to earn money online, there are actually so many online courses that promise a lot and then give almost nothing at all. Do you know why people don't really learn from them? Because of the lack of real and practical on-the-trenches experience and the low professional level of the people who run these programs. That's all. I have learned how to make money online creating my own online business in 3 months without having any previous experience or knowledge, not because I am a very smart guy, who I'm not, but just because I have discovered an online education platform with the best programs and mentors in digital marketing. This organization has more than 10 years of experience and tens of thousands of members from all over the world, and is associated with companies like LinkedIn Learning or Digital Experts. They taught me how to start my own online business from scratch in a very practical and efficient way. Just imagine that everyone has been eating soup with a fork all their lives. And then suddenly one day you discover that there was a spoon. That's what they taught me in the free video series that I'm going to send you if you click on the link below. And they explained to me which is the spoon to learn the necessary skills and knowledge in much less time and through the best experts in the world. So if you're interested in knowing what is the right formula in the post-pandemic world to learn all the different ways to make money online, creating your own profitable online business from scratch, click on the link to enter your contact details and you will immediately receive the free video series that has changed the lives of thousands of people in the last months.